Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we have the 2020 AMG CLA 35 going for a night drive. So that's the 2020 AMG CLA 35. We're gonna go for a drive and tell me guys what you think about the video. Oh wow. Again, that's the CLA 35. We want to go for a drive and give the video a big thumbs up. If you want to get this CLA 35, check out the description and I'll leave some information for you to get it. Let's go. That is a badass interior. Okay. Oh, sunroof is open.
Great torque.
Yeah, it's surprising what they can do with such a small engine. Wow. It's good, it's good. That sounds amazing.
I know, right?
It's amazing what they can do. A neat little hideout back here.
Your turn.
Wow. Wow. Okay, let's go in and see. You can actually hold it. Yeah. So hold it up.
Put my seat back so I get a better angle.
Yeah, wow. What you can do is this. We should go back the other way, I think.
You can go either way. Yeah, that's a little tough to hold, huh?
It actually is gonna maintain the landscape however you want to go. That's what it's doing.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So it makes you feel like you're actually in the car. Man, this sounds.
Yeah, let's turn the heater off and you can hear it a little better. Just click it down a few knots.
Should be off all the way. Wow. You can feel the crackles.
Yeah.
If you just stop once, it's gonna focus.
Nice.
Look at that.
That's cool.
That is literally one gear. You cannot even feel the shifting of the gears at all. It's very smooth. And it's actually very solid. As you go faster, it sort of tightens up. I should probably buy this.
You should.
This is.
I love this interior. It's sweet.
It's got like a. Okay, it's a true AMG. I think there's a lot of competition about whether it's a true AMG, but I think
AMG gets a hold of anything and they just make it twice as good.
I'm waiting to see how the M139 engine is going to perform. The 4-cylinder, 416 horsepower, which is insane for a 2-liter.
Yes.
There's a nuke here, unless it blocked it. It is. I think this is a car to get if you're looking for an entry level.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's not 6 figures.
It's still a blast to drive.
Wow. It's AMG.